Hi family, how are you guys after the Easter weekend? I hope you guys are well. Um to our new subbies, you guys are welcome. Feel free, feel at home. And to the people that are part of the family already, you guys are also welcome. So guys, I broke my ring light. So I don't have like a tripod or a stand where I can have my phone to record. Hence, I've not been uploading some content, which I do apologize for. It's not fair on your side. I do have a lot of content to upload, but I'm just getting lazy because I don't have a tripod so that I can make a video to speak to you guys. But I guess we'll just have to make use of the voice record. So on today's video, we're going to be making a woven bench. I won't be going into much detail because I have a video where I made a headboard where it's in more detail than this one would be. So I'll link it down below in the comment section for you guys to go and check it out if you are interested. The materials that I used, I got 44 by 44 millimeters of pine wood that I got from builders. I got a 1.8 1800 millimeters of pine, and then the other one was 1240 millimeters long. The longer bars I cut from the 1.8, which is 90 by 90, and then the other, how many pieces? 6 pieces. The 4 sides are 45 by 45 centimeters, and then the smaller bars, those are 30 centimeters. So then I went to a fabric store, looked on the side where they have upholstery, and I got this vinyl material, which I got about 1.2 meter. This is the vanish that we used. I only did one coat because it wasn't much, because we already had used it on the other benches, the pallet benches that I had made. So we only had one coat. I used cheap board screws to put the pieces of wood together. However, that wasn't very strong and stable. I realized that when I was stapling the fabric on, because I had to pull it to make it tight, the wood became loose as I was pulling. So what we decided was to remove the screws, and we exchanged the screws for some nails, hard nails. There's a picture that I have here of the nails that we used. And when we've used those nails, then it became very strong. But what we decided to do is, as well, even though I don't have a pick on here, to put a bar in the middle just for support to strengthen the bench as well. This is a very easy DIY, so that was it, and the bench was done. Like I said, guys, if you want a more detailed video, I'll put it on the description box for you guys. Thank you for staying thus far. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and put on your notification bell so that you are aware when I upload a video. Because this was short, I'll probably upload another video within this week as well. Thank you guys. I love you. Take care.